Well, hello there everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and you guessed it, it is time to cook. Now today, I think I'm making everyone's favorite side dish, scalloped potatoes. I mean, who does not love scalloped potatoes? Creamy, cheesy potatoes. You just cannot go wrong. And these are good all year round, whether it's Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, anytime you have a family dinner. If you have these on the table, they'll be eaten up quick. They are definitely a family favorite in my house. So I'm excited to share this recipe with you. So let me go over these ingredients and show you just how to make them. So I like to use the Idaho russet potatoes. You'll need around 3 pounds, which is about 8 cups of the peeled and sliced potatoes. Then you will need a half of a stick of butter and 6 tablespoons of flour. And then I like to use the sharp cheddar cheese. Now I like to grate my own, but you can use the already pre-shredded cheddar cheese if you like. Then you will need a half of a cup of chopped onion, 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of chicken broth, and then 1 teaspoon of salt, a half of a teaspoon of black pepper, a half of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half of a teaspoon of dried thyme. So now that my potatoes are peeled and sliced, I'm going to make the creamy cheesy sauce. I'm going to add my butter to a large skillet and let it melt. Then I'm going to add my chopped onion. I'm going to let this onion cook for just a couple minutes until it softens and becomes translucent. All right, then I'm going to sprinkle in this flour. I'll add my chicken broth. And my milk. So just whisk continuously to get out any lumps, and it should thicken like gravy. I'm also going to go ahead and add my seasonings. So once it starts to thicken, I'm going to turn the heat off, and I'm going to add about 1 cup of this cheddar cheese. So I have a 9x13 baking dish that I have sprayed some nonstick spray in the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour my potatoes, or half of my potatoes, into the bottom of my baking dish. All right, I'm just going to spread them out, try to make an even layer. And then I'm going to pour half of this cheese sauce over the potatoes. Spreading it out, making sure they're all coated. All right, then I'm going to sprinkle with some cheese. Place the other half of the potatoes on top. Then I'm going to pour the rest of this cheese sauce over top, making sure that I get every last bit of that goodness. Spreading it out. Yum, yum, yum. And then top it with the last little bit of cheese. All right, then I'm going to place some aluminum foil over my baking dish. And I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes covered. Then I'm going to uncover it and bake it for another 30 minutes. Oh, scalloped potatoes. They're so comforting. Creamy, cheesy, delicious. All right, guys, come and check this out. Oh yeah, this is what I am talking about. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.